Good morning, guys. This is Kajal Kohli. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm thinking about to make a vlog about me, what I did for my English, and how I learned the English language this way. Okay, so I'm going to share with you that how did I do these things. So this is my first video. I'm going to upload it. I don't know whether it will be a very good or not, but yes, I'm very excited to talking with you. What I did, you won't believe on me that how I learned this language, because I did my schooling in government school. There was no environment to speak this language. There was nothing to have a good time to write something in English. Nothing was there. So for after that, I was very disappointed with myself because I didn't know how to speak this language. Okay, and actually, I think within 2 years, within a 2 years, I have learned a lot. I think I'm not saying that I'm very good in this, but still, I'm the manageable person now. I can manage the language. I can understand the language as well now. So what I did, when the lockdown started, I spent some time with my family. Like I have learned some cooking as well that time, and uh, after 1 month of the lockdown, I thought maybe I should utilize this time. So I started to utilize the time. I started to learn from the scratch, from the YouTube channel on the only. I think you won't imagine that how did I learn this. So I started learn from the YouTube channel. There is lot of teachers. There are a lot of teachers on the YouTube channel who teach us about English language, or about grammar, about vocabulary. So started watching some videos from there, and I write it down on my notebook, and I used to do revision again and again, so that I can learn, so that I can recall these words in my mind. I can make the sentence very easily when I speak English to someone. Okay, and I started to doing this, and I have been doing it for 2 years, as I told you. Then of course, I was a girl who didn't know that how to give my introduction part at the moment. When I did it, or when I started to doing this, gradually I'm getting result in my speaking English. And I was before the lockdown, I was the girl who didn't know that how to use this word, and how to give introduction part, how to write in English. Nothing I did have idea. Nothing I did have idea at the moment. And I did not even know that I would be able to speak this language entire of my life, because I found it very difficult. When I listen to someone, when I watch something in English, I thought it's not my cup of tea. But it proved wrong. But it has been proved wrong. It has been proved wrong, that whatever I was thinking about. So I got an idea from the YouTube channels, like how to improve my English. So I started reading newspaper. I used to read newspaper on daily basis for 15 minutes, or sometime for 20 minutes. And I think I got my fluency by reading newspaper, and as well as I get update myself too, how to whatever is going on around the world, and whatever the news is new, so I can update myself as well. So I did those things as well. I did those things. And side by side, I used to write something in English language, whatever is it in my mind, whatever the topic. If the topic is for about my phone, about my laptop, about my home, my past, my present, whatever the topics, I started writing about those things. Whether it was right or wrong, I really didn't have idea, but I write. But gradually I became very good in writing as well now today. So then what I wanted to do, I wanted to speak English very fluently in front of people. There was a little reason that after some time, means after a 1 year, I could be able to uh, means I would be able to speak language with someone on the call. But if it comes to speak this language in front of someone, so I get stuck and I forget the word. What word should I use here? Particular word I always forget. So I thought how to remove these things. So again I open the YouTube channel and I get to know that if I want to do this, so I have to make some videos in front of camera, or sometime I should speak in front of mirror. So I did those things as well. Sometimes I still do these things whenever I have a time. I do these things as I am doing today in front of camera and want to talk to you. So then yes, then sometime I used to do a practice with myself, like whatever is going on in surrounding me, whatever is the thinking and coming in my mind, I used to translate it Hindi to English. I used to do this. So I think this was the very good practice because of my fluency. Today I have a fluency, little bit fluency, not much, but I can say that I'm a manageable in this language. I can understand people English, I can speak English. So it was a very great moment for me, that how I have learned the language. Writing, reading, and watching something in English is really, really important for the language if you want to learn, if you are really passionate about the language. Or I think about the language. Without this language, you can't be able to have a great path or have a great designation in your industry where you want to go. So if you want to make your career at the higher of the level, so you should know the language first, because you have to have a good communication. uh, you have to have a good communication. You have to have a good communication with the person where you are working, whether it's job, whether it's your own business. But it's important to have a great command over this English, and you should have a good communication skills as well. I think you won't believe, but still I am working on my communication skills, like how to communicate with others. So I just want to be very good in communication skills so that I can add the plus point in my personality. So because at the moment when I was not able to speak the language, so I wanted to join a good industry like an airlines or somewhere. So I went there for the interview. I took my interview there, but all the things was good, okay, because they are asking you about your beautifulness, your height, and all the things are good. But the thing was bad. It's about my English. I didn't know how to give my introduction part, so I wasn't selected for the airlines. Then I got shocked and I got disappointed and got highly disappointed that how could it possible, like I'm not able to join the industry. So that moment was a very worst moment for me. So at that day I thought I definitely will do that in my throughout the life, and by God grace I got a chance in the pandemic. And yeah, I utilized all the time, and today I'm here. I've learned a lot, and I think I'm able to do that job. So I'm really very happy. That is why I wanted to share my little story with you. It's not all about my each and every single a step whatever it's happened to me, but yes, whatever I did I shared with you. And the watching English podcast, I think, or English movies, or English child stories, I think with the subtitle will be helpful for you. Will be helpful for you definitely, because it helped me a lot and I got a result. So thank you so much for watching my all the story. And if you like my story, if you want to know more about me, please like my channel and comment me. Definitely I will tell you about more me. I will i will tell you more about me. Please like and subscribe my channel and comment below that if you want to know about me more. Definitely I will share lot of things about me with you. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.